Welcome back, everyone. How about a game of Guess That Sky Cam? Because the way that this one is looking, it's hard to tell. This is Rehoboth Avenue in Rehoboth
Well, the more
Beach.
surveying siding kind of gives it away.
And it also says Rehoboth Beach.
It says Rehoboth Beach. That's pretty ridiculous, though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like pea soup out there.
It kind of is. Or like a 1980s slasher film, maybe. Or
yeah, two different minds, I guess, we got here.
Yes, yeah, but same ballpark, right? This dense fog, and I think this will be the headline for tonight. Not so much the rainfall, but just watch out for areas of dense fog out there. I think especially by the coastline, just be careful of that, especially if you're along Coastal Highway, Route 1. But right now, the fog is most confined to northwestern areas. Dover, Georgetown, under a mile of visibility, so right along the coast, I would say, is going to be pretty bad. But it could come in waves, so it's not too bad right now across coastal Worcester County, for example. But there is a dense fog advisory along the entire coastline through tonight. So just keep that in mind to take it slow, because there could be some areas of locally dense fog out there. Some fairly impressive rainfall with the thunderstorms. Radar estimated rainfall for the past 12 hours indicates that 1 to as much as 2 inches of rain could have fallen in parts of southern Sussex County. This is just south of Seaford, and even parts of western Caroline County and eastern Talbot County had as much as maybe 1 to as much as 2 inches of rainfall with the storms that moved through earlier today. So I don't think rain is going to be too much of an issue for tonight. There could be a passing shower, but I think overall it's just going to be the mostly cloudy skies in the areas of patchy fog. But we got this warm front continuing slowly to lift northward, pumping in that humid air, and that's going to keep us muggy for a few days. Temperatures are in the 60s right now. It's not going to cool off that much for tonight. Chucky and Lewis is reporting 60 degrees, Ted and Millsboro 65 degrees. We'll start off the day tomorrow with mostly cloudy skies, giving way to more sunshine in the afternoon. But look at what Futurecast is depicting here. Could be another instance where we have a stubborn marine layer for the afternoon tomorrow for coastal locations, so we could be stuck with the stubborn fog and low clouds, so just keep that in mind. Elsewhere, should be a mostly sunny day in the afternoon with the risk for maybe a pop-up shower, maybe a rogue thunderstorm. Now, there's been some consistency with a complex moving through early Friday morning. Not really sure if it's going to be severe by the time it gets here. We'll keep an eye on this, but I would prepare for some showers and storms potentially for Friday morning. This is at 11 a.m. And then it's a matter of how much does the atmosphere recover with instability to maybe bring another shower or thunderstorm into the region. Bottom line is I would prepare for a few showers and thunderstorms for you down Friday, but not an all-day washout. Then the front kicks through by the time we get to Saturday. Could be a few additional showers or a thunderstorm. And then we'll be setting the stage for lower humidity values by the time we get to Sunday, and some cooler temperatures as well. We could be in the upper 80s on Saturday. It could feel steamy out there. And then 77 degrees for a day on Sunday with a mostly sunny sky. So we'll be in the 60s for tonight with areas of fog, maybe a passing shower. Tomorrow, I think more clouds in the morning, giving way to more sunshine, maybe the risk of a passing shower, temperatures between 77 and 82 degrees. So a few showers and storms possible for Friday, I should say, and Saturday as well. And then sunshine breaks out for Sunday, cooler temperatures, lower humidity values, and the start of next week looking really nice. Temperatures in the 70s, again, lower humidity, and a good amount of sunshine, maybe a few more clouds by the time we get to Wednesday, Han.